Selena Gomez pays Justin Bieber a PDA-filled visit. Hey guys, I'm Carly Bolness. See the young couple's adorable backstage moment and see Selena's sit-down interview with us in today's Pop Sugar Rush. Justin Bieber holds hands with a short shorts-wearing Selena Gomez, proudly escorting his girlfriend around the set of his Boyfriend video in LA on Saturday. The young couple looked happy to share a break from their busy schedules together. After their cute courtside kiss last week, Justin's been busy shooting while Selena's been making the rounds promoting her first fragrance. Our own Katie Henry sat down with the pop star to talk about it.
So now where would you wear this? Maybe on a date night to the Lakers game, maybe? Out with friends?
I don't know, anywhere. I mean, that's what I love about it. I mean, it's for any age, and it's kind of just, it's refreshing. So you can wear it to work or you can wear it on a date night. It's just sweet.
Selena told us she actually didn't receive any tips from fellow fragrance makers Justin and Taylor Swift. Instead, she drew inspiration for her scent from another set of famous faces.
When I was younger, I had like Mary-Kate and Ashley's like little body spritz.
As for Ms. Gomez's other projects, she just finished filming Spring Breakers alongside Vanessa Hudgens, who went blonde for the role, something Selena says she couldn't see herself doing.
Have you ever thought about going blonde?
No, I don't think I could do that. I would be too nervous because I do like my hair, so I wouldn't want to hurt it.
Speaking of Spring Breakers, Selena says she was pleasantly shocked by her other co-star, James Franco, who recently lip-synced to her hit Love You Like a Love Song.
He was so into that song when he recorded it.
Were you surprised?
Awesome. Yeah, I was, because I had left already. I had already shot my stuff and I had left the movie, and they sent me the video and then he posted it and I was like, oh my goodness, it's classic.
Another internet classic? Selena's rendition of Carly Rae Jepsen's Call Me Maybe, though she says fans of the viral video shouldn't expect a sequel.
You think there'll be Call Me Maybe 2.0?
No, probably not. That wasn't even supposed to be what that was, actually. It was just something we were all at my friend Carlos's house and we were just goofing around and it ended up being really big. But it's cute. It's a good song, so awesome.
In addition to Call Me Maybe, Selena shared her current favorite song with us before revealing her summer plans.
I'm so into somebody that I used to know. That's like my jam right now. I go to Bulgaria to shoot my movie, so I'll be there for a bit. As far as after that, there might be another movie or I might be back in the studio, so maybe a vacation.
Does that give you
nice.
time for a vacation?
Hopefully,
yeah.
That would be nice.
Selena's self-titled fragrance will be available at Macy's in May. I'm Carly Bolness, and thanks for watching Pop Sugar Rush.